The liver, which acts as a detoxifier in the body. It ensures the removal of toxins, alcohol and drugs from the body, and the removal of aged blood cells from the circulation. On the other hand, it strengthens the immune system. However, some wrong habits and lifestyle can lead to fatty liver disease, which is a serious disease. So what are the foods that are good for fatty liver? Number 1. Lemon. Lemon is an antioxidant that helps the liver produce enzymes called glutathione. Lemon also repairs the liver, as glutathione neutralizes toxins. Therefore, squeezing half a lemon into a glass of water and drinking it in the morning for a few weeks is also good for a fatty liver. Number 2. Turmeric. Curcumin in turmeric is the main bioactive substance with hepatoprotective effect. It reduces inflammation and protects the liver by improving lipid metabolism and insulin sensitivity. Since turmeric, which is an antioxidant reservoir, improves the body's ability to digest fats, it prevents these fats from accumulating in the liver. Number 3. Green tea. Looking at the studies, it has been seen that the improvement of fatty liver is significantly easier in individuals who regularly drink green tea. Green tea, which is also an important source of antioxidants, has a protective effect against liver cancer and many other types of cancers by reducing oxidative stress in the body. Number 4. Coffee. One of the benefits of coffee, which has many positive effects on health, is that it protects liver health. When scientific studies are examined, it has been observed that coffee consumption has preventative and supportive effects on the progression of the disease, even in existing liver patients. Drinking coffee accelerates fat burning in the body. In this way, it helps to prevent fatty liver. Because of these positive effects, coffee can be counted among liver-friendly foods if its consumption is not overdone. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.